Hi, this is Julie Thompson reporting for IAB from the Digital Content Newfronts 2014. I've got your All Access Pass to Day 4. We started off here at Time Inc. We're on our way later to Digitas, LBI, and Pop Sugar. But what was great about this morning was seeing how the 90-year-old brand of Time Inc. has stayed way ahead of the curve with 50 distinct programs across all their properties. You know, the iconic red border Time Magazine, People, Sports Illustrated, Fortune, Southern Living. They showcased all their programming, what they're doing across platform, across devices, and people said it really felt true to the Time Inc. brand. So, Brenda, you just walked out of the Time Inc. Newfront. What did you see, and what wowed you?
I was very impressed with Time Inc.'s first Newfront. I thought their content menu was very vast. I also thought it was content that was also a great representative of their brands, and also the fact, I like the fact that they packaged their content across many different brands, so there's a lot of flexibility from a content perspective, which I think is really going to resonate with our clients.
Coming from the Time Inc. Newfront, it was very exciting. All of the creativity and technology, and most importantly, all of the new and reoccurring shows that they have, I think, are a surprise to most people that they have 50 reoccurring shows coming back from previous years that are brand icon shows with 25 and more to come is more than most of anything you'll see this week or even next week at the upfronts.
Are you seeing programming that works more for scale or targeting, or both?
A little bit of both, but I would say it's more about scale today. It's really looking for opportunities where our clients can, it's not so much about spots and dots, but it is about reach. So I think, and digital video has reached that point now where our clients can look for that reach and scale across the web with video.
I have been struck that every single one of these shows, there is a moment where the host of the show says, oh yeah, and nonchalantly, oh yeah, and by the way, this is available on all platforms. It's available on your smartphone, on your tablet, on your desktop, on your connected TV. And it was just this sudden striking realization that TV everywhere has arrived, and it's arrived through the digital video industry. One of the other notable things that I saw, and we just saw it again at Time Inc., this is the 5th or 6th show, where there is an enormous amount of competition for the upscale lifestyle marketplace. It's almost as if companies, publishers have awakened to either the fact or the appearance of the fact that cable television has been abandoning the upscale market. Not entirely, but you have the kind of the dominance of kind of downscale or mid-scale franchises like the Real Housewives franchise or the Duck Dynasty franchise. And so all of a sudden a lot of companies have gotten up there and said, we want to move in and do upscale service and upscale lifestyles.
Hi there, here we are at Digitas LBI. We're on the High Line downtown in Digitas's deal-making mecca. They have lots of clients here listening, learning, actually signing for different deals. We heard about 2 alliances Digitas has just formed with BuzzFeed. They're doing a BuzzFeed in Residence program where their editorial team and their rapid response team will be in the agency for the next year creating content. We also heard about Epic Magazine, where they're doing a deal in terms of real life stories worth remembering. The theme today was fearlessness, and they talked about bravery both in business and in your personal life. So it was sort of unexpected and inspiring. What have you been looking for at the Newfronts, and have you found it yet, and where?
We'll still be looking next week too. But actually we're seeing a lot. We're seeing a big investment in content of all flavors. So yes, scale plays like video aggregation and hubs, also very focused, niche-specific content that we know could be matched to some clients in particular, and everything in between too, for broader audiences or small-scale audiences. And a lot more conversations on data, and that's exciting as well, because everyone's coming into this not just from a perspective of how can I produce great content, but how can it find the right audience?
I think it's a combination of not only who was on stage today, but also an understanding of all of the partnerships that have been revealed this week. partnerships with the New York Times and Vimeo, with LBI and Epic and LBI or Digitas LBI and YouTube. I think really we have to realize that content is king, and it really is about how you partner to bring the right content to your customer, for us, to our patients or our physicians. And you aren't necessarily going to be the creator of it. Curation is okay. And so for me, it's really about learning about the partnership opportunities.
Hi, this is Julie Thompson reporting from Industria Studios in the West Village. We're here with Pop Sugar at their new front. They've taken over the building. They're showcasing the fact that they now have 3 in-house studios creating content in San Francisco, New York, Los Angeles. They also are showcasing tonight all of the robust content they normally produce, as well as their new programming. They're so well known for their fitness, beauty, entertainment, fashion programming, and people rely on Pop Sugar for tips on what to wear, where to go, what to eat. So Pop Sugar is really fun, and they've really blown out all their content. They're going to give us sneak peeks tonight of new direction, comedy, late night. They're even delving into scripted content we're going to hear tonight. And even the men of Pop Sugar are putting on the pink with their pink Converse, as well as the signature drink of the evening, the Sweet Life by Pop Sugar, a pink concoction that looks fantastic. 50 million video views a month, 300 pieces of original content they're creating in those 3 studios, and Pop Sugar's on fire. They have totally transformed this warehouse space into a beautiful Parisian cafe meets garden party meets urban girls apartment, which is what the stage is designed as, to create an immersive experience for all the attendees.
Pop Sugar is an important partner. In the first New Fronts, they rallied to be a part of it with only 4 weeks of lead time, and proved to be an outstanding presenter, and that's because it's symbolic of their fleet-footed approach and the way that they create video at scale very, very quickly, which they've had a lot of success with and have a massive footprint.